Welcome to Phrasal Verbs Simplified. Today, I'm breaking down accede to, account for, add up, and agree to or agree with. Let's make these verbs easy and fun. Here we go. Which verb will you try? Comment below. Let's begin with accede to. Accede to means formally agreeing, often after pressure. For example, he acceded to our request to join the team. Will the government accede to demands for change? It also means taking a position of power. Like, in 2014, Narendra Modi acceded to India's Prime Minister role. The diaries were written in 1837 when Queen Victoria acceded to the throne. Next, account for. Account for means to explain something. Like, can you account for your absence last Friday? She couldn't account for $5,000 missing. It also means to make up a total, like, students account for most of our customers. Plus, he must account to his manager for his trips. And when someone loves odd snacks, there's no accounting for taste. You can't explain weird preferences. Next, add up. Add up means to calculate a total. For example, add these numbers up, it's over £500. But if something doesn't add up, it's not logical, like, she vanished before her holiday? That doesn't add up. Add up to means reaching an amount, like, these projects add up to thousands of homes. This also means a result, like, their plans don't add up to real help. Finally, agree to or agree with. Agree to means accepting a plan, like, both sides agree to the peace treaty. Agree with is about beliefs, often negative, like, I don't agree with hunting. It also relates to health. If something suits you. For example, the mountain air agrees with me. But if it makes you sick. For example, those onions didn't agree with me. That's it for today. You've mastered accede to, account for, add up, and agree to with. Try them out. Account for something odd, or agree to a fun plan. Now test your skills on these phrasal verbs. Count your correct answers. How did you do? You've sharpened your skills on accede to, account for, add up, and agree tos with. Try using them today. Subscribe for more phrasal verbs, like this video, and comment, which verb will you use today?